Three friends, Akash, Tushar, and Prathamesh, undertook a project for rupees 72,000. Akash, Tushar, and Prathamesh can individually complete the project in 48, 40, and 60 days, respectively. Akash and Tushar started to work together and continued for 8 days. So initially, Akash and Tushar were working. Then Tushar left, was then replaced by Prathamesh. So Tushar left and Prathamesh joined. So Prathamesh replaced Tushar, and they worked together for next 6 days. And then Akash left and Tushar came back to continue the project for the next 4 days. The remaining work was completed by all three of them working together. So calculate the share of Prathamesh in the amount received for the project. Well, the share of the amount that is going to go for a particular person is the share of the work being done by that particular person as overall work. So as usual, we will be taking the total work to be LCM of the durations given to us, which is 40, 60, and 48. LCM is going to be 240 units. Now, if we look at Akash, the efficiency of these guys, Akash is going to be 240 upon 48, which is going to be 5 units per day. Efficiency of Tushar is going to be 240 upon 40, which is going to be 6 units per day. And efficiency of Prathamesh is going to be 240 upon 60, which is going to be 4 units per day. So a total of 240 units of work has to be done. Akash and Tushar, they worked for the initial 8 days. So Akash and Tushar, if they work for initial 8 days, so they will be doing these, 8 days, which is going to be a total of 11 into 8, 88 units, right? This is 88. Then Tushar was replaced by Prathamesh. That means Akash and Prathamesh were working. So they were finishing 9 units every day. They are going to finish in 6 days, 9 into 6. That is 54 units. And then Akash left and Tushar came in. So Tushar and Prathamesh, they are going to work together for next 4 days. So this is going to be 10 into 4, that is 40 units. And then the remaining work was completed by all three of them, which is 5 plus 6 plus 4. If we count, the total amount of work so far has been 88, 54, and 40, which is 182 units. So if this constitutes 182 units, that means the remaining 58 units is supposed to be finished by all three of them together. Now, if they are going to work at the rate of 15 units per day, so they are going to finish it in 58 by 15 units of work. So 58 by 15 days, right? That's when the 15 and 15 will cancel out and we will have 58 units of work. So now we need to find out the share of Prathamesh in the amount received for the project. So if we calculate how much Prathamesh, how many units did Prathamesh complete? So if we look at Prathamesh, he was not there on the first day. If we look at Prathamesh on the second day, he completed 4 into 6, 24 units. And then next turn, he finished 4 into 4, 16 units. And on the last part of the work where they worked together, he completed 4 into 58 by 15 units. So this is the total work finished by Prathamesh out of total work being 240 units. So if we are going to calculate this, 58 is not divisible by 5 nor by 3. So this is going to be a little calculative. So let's calculate the numerator first. So this is going to be 24 plus 1640. 40 into 15 will be 600. Plus 4 into 58 is going to be 232 divided by 15 into 240, which is going to be, let's write it over here, 832 divided by 15 into 240. So this is the share of work done by Prathamesh. So the total amount of money he will be going to get will be in the same ratio. So all we need to do is multiply it with the total work, total money that they were supposed to get. And this is going to go 24 into 3. So this is 300 times. So 15 into 20 is what we will have. And next is 20 into 832. So 2 into 832 is going to be a total of 1664. And then we will have a 0. So this is the total amount that Prathamesh is going to get out of 72,000. Since it was theta, so we had to type in 16640.